I will accept it. God, and she came up on stage and she goes, answering you a question. Yes. I would have your baby. Are you serious? Yes, I do. Hell yeah. And Jake's like, hey, rumor has it, he's engaged. Here he is now.